Hey guys, thanks for watching
What?
Thanks for watching another video of Funnies for Me. I'm Will, and this is Andrew. Hey Andrew, what's
up?
up? And sorry about the delay for all the videos.
Batteries not included.
We apologize for the lack of videos for a long time. We just have had a lot of school stuff. But yeah, so
Plus, I enjoy my weekends to myself.
shut up. I hope you guys liked the intro. We're gonna start doing that for each video. Comment if you liked it.
If we actually got it to work.
We will get it to work.
Alright.
Okay, and so yeah, comment if you liked it, and yeah, so today we are gonna be doing a video on it. We're gonna be
Nerf gunning.
Yeah.
Yeah.
A Nerf gun war. So we have the blue base which you can
over there.
Right, right there.
And then we have this sofa thing right here.
Yeah. So
the blue base, it's obviously a worse base because you have to go all the way up to do it. But that base gets a machine gun.
yeah.
But but this base, since it is easier, gets this gun and this gun.
This gun.
But we also both get paddles so we can block.
Cumbia, whatever it says.
Kumbaya?
Pro-Cadema.
Pro-Cadema.
Pro-Cadema. Okay, so, sorry about the video
We're gonna do
quality.
an ice bucket challenge later.
Because we really can't see that well of this guy base, the non-blue base, so yeah, so, because we don't have,
I'm gonna be starting at the blue base.
we don't have a full camera guy, so yeah, let's just get
the
started.
machine gun
Enough
design.
talking, enough talking.
Hit the,
Oh yeah, and to make things a little more interesting, Andrew is gonna turn off the light.
Do you want me to do that now?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, wait. Hang on. No. That would have been sick. Oh my god. Lights over here. But then they can barely see.
Cause turn the lights on, baby. Oh, turn those lights off too, to make it dark.
You turn those lights off.
No, you turn them off.
No. I don't feel like it. I'm just gonna count. Oh wait, I want to show them my machine gun.
Hurry up. You don't want to hear us talk.
Sorry, but look at this. Look at this. This is the machine gun. Yeah. Listen to that.
Okay, and the rules are pretty much we just shoot until the bullets are gone. So yeah. 1 second, I'm gonna try to get myself in the video so that they can see my beautiful face.
Hope you guys liked the intro. If we got it to work.
You already said that. 3,
Shut up, I'm on a roll of bola.
2, 1. Go! Well, I'm out of bullets. Oh! Ha!
Did I hit you? Where did that even go?
In your face. I'm gonna shoot you, audience. Cause that's so fun.
Don't kill the audience again. Matrix.
Oh yeah. Woo!
Oh yeah.
Woo!
Stager. All right. We finished that round. Not. Do you think we had a winner? Stager. Stager. You think we had a winner?
No.
Okay. We're just basically doing this for fun. Now we switch sides, and now I have this gun, which is actually Will, and this gun. Look, it has a... This apocalypse, the red sun, no. Okay. But anyway, yeah, basically, we're gonna do this again. I'm the king, yo. Not yet. All right. Wow. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. Did I get you? I still have all the bullets in this, by the way.
I still have all the bullets in this, by the way.
No, you don't.
Yeah,
And if you did, you'd be lying and
What?
cheating.
Hmm?
If you did, you'd be lying and cheating.
No.
Don't reload your gun! You can't do that. That's against the rules.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is. We said that, once the bullets ran out. None of these shots actually count, you know. Off to the side. Last bullet.
What?
Last bullet. Alright. And you cheated, so technically I win. So, I guess technically I win because he cheated. Yay, I'm still the king. Alright, we're just gonna switch sides. I think we're just gonna do one more round and hi! 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 How you doing? Good.
Round 3. Wild card mode.
Free floor!
Free for all, no rules. This is gonna be fun.
Is this happening?
Ready? Bingo.
Wait, I don't have my shield.
Set.
Alright.
Jingo. Bingo.
Alpha, Beta,
Go.
Gamma, Hotel. That actually is. Oh, dang it, it's jam. And no, it would not go good on toast.
Cricket, cricket. Nobody thought that was funny. Nobody thought that was funny.
I'm just unjamming my gun. I actually made a whistle. Dang it! Hang on. Wait. Time
No,
out.
it's free for all.
No, I just need to unjam my gun. Alright? Just hang on. I just need to unjam my gun. Be a good sportsmanship. How can you be a sportsmanship? No.
Okay, let's go.
Alright, wait.
Hurry up.
Alright. Time it! fart. You. Oh, Matrix.
This is kind of boring for the audience, but it's not gonna be. No, I'm gonna shoot you somewhere. In the butt! Okay, guys.
Oh, yeah? Where's the microphone? Oh, wait, I think.
Okay, guys, thanks for watching. This
Sword!
Thanks for
I
watching.
totally won!
and this boring video. We will try to be funnier in the next round. So yeah, bye.